Hope you're having an amazing day. Here I have the GNET 3-channel dashcam. This is the G-ON3, and this will get you covered pretty much on all angles which you might need. This camera is pretty much ready for any scenario such as fleet, ride sharing, or just for any use case, because this comes with 3 cameras which will cover the front, interior, and also the rear as well. Most likely I see these dash cameras being used in transport, Uber environments, as I don't think most people really want to have or care to have an interior camera. So taking a look at the main camera here, at the top we have the 2 buttons and the LED indicators, so GPS and recording, so you will know when this is going on, and the speaker is located there as well. And you're actually able to, so once you go ahead and mount this, you're able to rotate the lens, so whichever way you need it. And taking a look at the side here, we do have the micro SD slot, and we also have the USB here, which does come with the Wi-Fi dongle. Taking a look at the back here. So the first thing we see here is the OBD2 port, and then we have the GPS, camera 1, camera 2, which means camera the rear one, the interior, and also we have some safety features which I will show you in a minute, and the power in. So when we're looking at the safety features, so we get this little piece here, so definitely I think this camera is mainly made for transport, Uber, anything like that, or just to keep track of your drivers, because you're able to put this in here. So pretty much this will cover the micro SD slot and the power, so that way no one will be able to go ahead and turn off your camera or tamper with your SD card to delete stuff from there. So pretty much I'm able just to do this and it will click in there. So right now it's kind of hiding the micro SD slot, so I'm not able to take it off and mess with it. And we have the power cable as well. And we do get this little tool here as well, so you're able to put this in here and kind of lock this so no one will even be able to take off your camera as well. And we do get the little screw to attach this little security add-on in there as well. Taking a look at the interior camera here, it does have night vision, and pretty much all you have to do here is just plug it in. There's really nothing to it. We do get the mount here as well. If you've had a GoPro before, pretty much that's kind of the way it feels here. You're just able to mount it and it will stay in place. Here we have the rear camera, and pretty much we do have on the side we have the micro USB input, and nothing to it. Once you go ahead and attach this, you're able to rotate the lens any way you want to. So there's really no restrictions. I'm able to rotate it all the way, and you're pretty much set. So inside this unit, we do get a hard wiring kit here, and we do get the cable as well. This is for the rear camera, and we do get the shorter cable. This is for the interior camera here. And we do get some 3M tapes here, the tools for the security part, which I showed you earlier. And we also have the optional GPS. So let's view some of the footage this captures so you can judge the quality for yourself. This dash camera comes packed with features and specs. The main front camera, being a quad HD, captures 140 degrees. The interior camera is full HD, which captures 180 degrees, and the rear camera full HD and captures 140 degrees. This also has the cloud options, meaning you will be able to live stream, live GPS tracking with the geofencing options and stats on the driving patterns and much more stats on that side. This also does come with some safety features, like most dash cameras nowadays. When I look at these features, I find it more gimmicky than useful. I tend to turn them off, and if you have a newer vehicle, most likely it's already going to have those safety features anyway. Some of the safety features which I'm talking about are front vehicle start alarm, which will notify you when the vehicle in front of you starts moving. Forward collision warning system, which monitors the distance between the vehicles, and also lane departure warning, which will pretty much notify you when it thinks you are in a lane drift. When it comes time to recording modes, there are a few options we can choose from. Parking surveillance, motion detection. There is the event recording, which automatically records for a certain period of time when the impact is detected. One thing which I was very impressed with this Dashcam is the app and how simple they made it to use. And absolutely no hassle at all. Pretty much open the app, click connection, and that's it, you're in. And you will be able to live view all cameras, look at your recordings, and make changes to the settings as well. That being said, there are a few things which I don't like about this Dashcam. First is cable management. There are too many cables hanging out. If you decide to get the optional GPS, OBD2, camera 1, camera 2 cable, and the power cables, the other one which I don't like to see is it's using micro USB for the camera here instead of a USB Type-C, which for a newer camera like this, I was looking to see that in here. So my overall thoughts on this Dashcam here. Everything works great, especially I love using the app because it's very simple, no issues at all on that side. And the quality, it has a 2K resolution, and we have the 1080p on the back and the interior. That's good enough. Obviously you're not getting this to go ahead and upload things to YouTube or anything like that. This is in case something happens, you have that, or if you want to go ahead and track live tracking using the cloud option here, you can definitely go ahead and do that. So that's a great option. The only thing which I kind of complained about a little bit earlier is the cable, but that's not a big issue there. It doesn't really have to do anything with the actual recording or anything like that. The footage this gives out, it's pretty good, nothing to complain about. It does work great on nighttime and also daytime, and the interior camera does have the night vision here, and it works great. The rear camera, nothing special. We get a 1080p camera here. It does capture like daytime, it looks great. Nighttime, not as much, but it does its job for a rear 1080p camera. So the big question here is, what are some of the reasons why I would buy this Dashcam? First thing is, it does have the cloud system, so you're able to do the live streaming, keep track of if you're using this to track your drivers, you're definitely able to do that with no problems here. And it does have this nice interior camera, which is also night vision, which works great. And the best thing about this dash camera, it does work on high temperature. So if you're in a high temperature environment, definitely recommend one of these because this thing will not shut down like some other dash cameras do, because pretty much you have everything on the outside, like even the Wi-Fi dongle, the optional GPS, everything is like outside. So on the inside is kind of it's pretty light and empty, so it doesn't have much room to get as hot as other dash cameras. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give it a like if you liked it. Also, if you are new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.